Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing code.org, and there's this new hour of code in code.org that I wanted to show you guys. So really quick, let's just go in. So you can see all the hour of codes. Dance Party, which we've done. Minecraft, which we've also done. And then we have AI for Oceans. This one is the new one, and it's actually really fun. I'm going to put my webcam up here. There. Garbage dumped in the water affects marine life. In this activity, you will program or train AI, artificial intelligence, to identify fish or trash. Let's clean up the ocean. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. Let's meet AI. AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but it can process images and identify patterns. To program AI, use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. The training you provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. Let's get started. Okay, not fish, not fish, fish, not fish, fish. Did you know 17 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean each year? Wow. You are programming or training AI with each click. Keep going. Fish, not fish, not fish, not fish, not fish, not fish, fish, not fish. 80% of ocean pollution comes from land debris and is estimated to cost $13 billion per year. AI learns from your choices. If you make wrong choices, AI will repeat your mistakes. Keep training. Not fish, not fish, fish, not fish, 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 not fish, fish, not fish, 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 fish. Great work. The more data you provide AI, the more it learns. Keep training AI or continue when ready. Not fish, 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 not fish, fish, not fish, 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 not fish, not fish, fish, not fish, not fish, 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 not fish, not fish. Okay, I think that should be enough. So just click continue. Now let's see if AI knows what a fish looks like. AI will analyze a random set of objects and run. So far so good. Yes, I think AI knows what we're talking about. Based on the training, here are some objects AI. Well, this is the only thing that's wrong, but it's good. So not fish. Or continue. This. Okay, continue. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, so far we trained AI to identify objects as either fish or not fish. What if this training data was used to decide what belonged in the water? What would happen to other sea creatures? Does our training approach cause unintended consequences? Yes, definitely. Because we're only telling it that fish are good and they should stay in the water and everything else should go, which means there are also other animals such as whales, dolphins. They're all gonna get thrown out with the trash. So that is unintended consequences. So let's just run. Yep. Yeah. Did you notice that AI identified some sea creatures as not fish? Well, he's right, they're not fish, but they're still sea creatures. While these sea creatures are not fish, they do belong in the water. AI only learns what we teach it. Let's train AI again. Well, I'll be glad to train AI again. Let's teach AI to learn which object should be in the water. Does this belong in the water? No. 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 Is that a teddy? What is that? What is this? Is this like an otter or like a teddy? I'm gonna go with a no. Yes. Did you know in the ocean plastic debris can harm fish, seabirds, and marine animals? Protecting seabirds and marine life is one of many reasons to keep the oceans clean. The more training, okay. Yes, no, no, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes. Marine plastic pollution has impacted at least 267 species worldwide, including 86% of all sea. Oh my god! No, yes, yes, no, yes, no. Did I say yes? Okay. Wow, so many yeses. Okay, so I think that should be good, so let's just click continue. Do you think AI will do a better job? Do you think AI will now do a better job identifying what should be in the water? Let's watch. Well, I definitely think so. Uh-oh, why did he let that in? Why is it letting those tires? Okay, let's just click continue. Based on the training gears the AI identified as belongs in water. How did AI do? The only thing he got wrong was these tires. So he did good. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to teach a computer new patterns. Let's teach AI a new word by showing it examples of that type of fish. Okay, let's do red. Not red, not red, red, not red, red, not red, not red, red, not red, red. Do you think No, I definitely don't think. Yeah, I think that's enough data. Let's check. With your training data, you have programmed AI to recognize red fish. Let's see AI identify red fish. Let's click on it. Why is that a red fish? What? Oh my god, this is so bad. Where are the red fish? There isn't. Okay, never mind. Continue. Based on your training, AI identified these fish. How did AI do? You can train more if you want to improve the results. Click on the info button to see what AI learned. The colors map dorsal fin tail body. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Now let's see if AI can learn a less obvious word. Okay. AI, a word that depends on your opinion. It's up for you to pick. Okay. Well, let's do scary. I'm pretty sure that's scary. Scary. Not scary. 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 It is fair to use artificial intelligence to judge a fish by its looks. While AI might seem fair and natural, its analysis comes from the training we provide. What unintended bias could this cause? No. 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 Yes. Yes. Um. Not. Yes. Not really. What? No, not even. Okay, I think that should be good enough to click continue. Training data, you have programmed AI to recognize scary fish. Let's see AI. Fish. That, yeah. Well, that is not scary. Okay, let's continue. Based on your training, AI identified these fish as scary. How did AI do? You can train more if you want to improve the results. Or you could teach AI a new word by choosing new word. Okay, so let's just click finish. But yashashvi. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.